Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll easily show you on how you can connect Questrade to TradingView. First things first, you want to head over to TradingView website right here, or you could be using the mobile application. You can just open it up, and from here you then want to log in your account, open up a chart. Now you can open any chart right here. You then want to click on the full chart, and simply inside the web page, you then have to click on the trading panel at the bottom of the website, which will open up this pop-up menu on which you just have to click on the show all brokers button. In here, you then want to look for or search for Questrade, and then it will pop up straight away. Just click on it, click on connect, and then you want to enter your login credentials, and then you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.